Hey Planty friends, welcome back to another new video. So today, this amazing company ended up sending me some uncommon / rare plants, and I'm actually really excited to see what they send. Here is the package. There's one plant that I'm pretty sure they sent, so I'm like a little bit like out of it. I just came from my mom's house and I was with her the entire day, just being with my family and bonding and just all that good jazzy stuff. But now we're gonna go and unbox it, but first let me go to the thumbnail. Give me a second. Okay, alrighty, let me go and open it with y'all. I think they sound like they were gonna send 5 plants. I'm not so sure. It's been a while since they were gonna do it, but supposedly one of them, it's an obliqua. They're not sure if it is, but they said it might be an obliqua. So yeah, also I hope they send the plant IDs because I'm not good with names and I know I need a box cutter, but I don't know, I think it's more fun opening it like this. I find it more exciting and fun. Okay, oh my god, that's so cute. Hold on. So this is what I see. A lot of cute little envelopes and this papel. Super fun. So they have this letter, Gulley Greenhouse. Gulley Greenhouse. Probably pronounced it incorrectly. That's the little thingy. On the back it says imported planting instructions. Please read. Don't break off the soil plug. It's holding the baby roots to the plant. If the plug is dry on arrival, water it and then plant immediately. Some specimens will be sent rooted in sphagnum moss. Gently tease off the loose moss and plant as soon as possible. These plant starts all have delicate root systems and are not meant to survive long periods in plug form. So plant those babies. That's the back part. And it's like some stickers, I believe. These are stickers, but it's so cute. Strawberries, and this is the name of the company. Super cute. And it's a bunch of these. Oh, this is a plant names? Wait, Baba's Dragon Tail Plant. Variegated the Cursiva, a late night independent radio DJ. She's the queen of the station with her rich, spellbling voice and oh my god, this vocabulary is way too high for me. Charismatic personality. Best advice: never pull on a fake laugh. Whether it's quirky, intelligent, poignant, just be you, and then give a shout. Look out, mama! Here we come with some more of this good funky music. So I believe these are the names. Yeah, this is like the plant care, the name of the plant, description, and on the back it says how to unpack your rooted plug and things to know about your new plants like light, water, growth habit, food, and toxicity. That's literally amazing. And then I have this other one, Marlo, Monstera Arizoniae Variegated La Nieta, I believe. And they send, I'm guessing these are the plants that they sent. They sent a lot because like, holy crap, there's a lot of these. Nevillia, Gold, Violin, Philodendron. Oh my god, I'm really excited to look at that. I've never heard about these names, so this is going to be a really fun video. And hope the lighting is not as bad, you guys. They also sent in a Obeti, Monstera Obliqua, Opal, Variegated Heartleaf Philodendron. It has the one that I think, like the green heartleaf philodendron, but like variegated. You guys, oh my god. And then the philodendron red emerald, which honestly a lot of companies always send me this one, so I'm excited to see that one as well. So this is pretty cool. Thank you so much. They send more stickers, massive. Oh my god, this is actually really cute. This little cactus one with these blooms. That is adorable. No, because like I actually really do like these stickers. They're stickers, right? Ooh. Oh my god, it is a sticker. Oh my god. You guys, wait. Yeah, I love stickers. I'm sorry. Alright, let's open it and see what's in here. So they added a lot of this. Packaging is really good. I will have their website linked down below for y'all. You guys can go and check them out. Ooh, oh my god, it actually sent. I don't know, for me, even to this day, I know like I have like quite a amount of y'all like subscribers, and a lot of companies like that, which is why they send. If it wasn't for y'all, they would not be sending this. But it's still hard to like wrap my mind about it. Like companies want to send me free plants for a video. Like it's so crazy. Like who am I to be getting free plants? But oh my god, this is like so cool. So thank you so much for adding the name of the plants. And it's a little bit washed out. This is the Monstera obliqua, grown from tissue culture. So let's see that. I hope you guys, the lighting is not as bad. The lighting is not that bad, right? Let me just get my studio lights. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, hopefully that's a lot better. Let's put it there. That's pretty good, right? I think so. Okay. Oh my god, I'm really excited. So it's very like moist, the paper. And I think they said that you should don't break off the soil plug. It's holding the baby roots to. Honestly, this is amazing because, like, again, I am not a pro with uncommon rare plants. I think this is literally going to be uncommon rare plants because, like, I don't. This is like literally the variegated heartleaf philodendron. It's like literally beyond me. So thank God they have this, how to like do this. So don't break off the plant soil plug. It's holding the baby roots to the plants. The plug is dry on arrival. Water it and then plant immediately. So I guess tomorrow I'll give you guys an update / repotting on all these plants. And I might go tomorrow. I might still leave them in the plugs, make sure that they're moist. Go tomorrow in the morning, buy some cute pots because I think at Walmart they'll be having at Walmart they have some pots on clearance. So I'm gonna go and buy that and repot them. Okay. This is a namey thingy. Let's put to the side. Okay, so this looks a lot like the one that I have from Walmart. Now I know that the more like you give it like on a moss pole, like something to go up on, like trailing, you know, some like a structure like a moss pole, the leaves develop bigger. So this literally looks like the monstera that I bought from Walmart, which I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Where is she? Oh, she's over here in the back. And I think the Monstera obliqua is like a lot more like insanely like illustrated. Like the holes are a lot more bigger. But it looks a lot like this one that I got from Walmart a while back. This might be a little bit of a long video, you guys. Like this one. You'll see that, right? They look very similar. Even then, it's super beautiful. I love Addisonias. So this is super exciting. I'll give you guys some close-up on how it looks. It's very healthy as well, and it is moist, which is really, really good. I like how they added like un palo, which is support for the plants. I'm gonna go put it to the side now. Super cute, but it looks a lot like this one. So yes, I'm like going like all crazy because I already have like a couple of Addisonias because they're just so pretty. Addisonias are just beautiful. I love it like when people get it like moss poles or like something to climb on, like even like a piece of wood, and the leaves get really, really big. So this one doesn't have a name on it, and it had it, but it's not on the box. Like if it fell off, so I don't know what happened to it. Actually, it fell over here. No, it's not in here. Okay, I guess it would be like a guessing game. Pretty fun. Okay, let's unwrap it. Oh my god, it's just crazy. Oh my, whoa. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the variegated heartleaf philodendron. It kind of looks like a Brazil real cream splash, but I trust them. This is called the variegated philodendron. That is so pretty. Sorry if I'm shaking, I had like some coffee, and I know people like get annoyed when I say that because I say it all the time. You guys, I drink a lot of coffee. But oh my god, isn't that pretty, that leaf? And it's a philodendron. They do so good with me. They're like one of the easiest plants to look up. So look at this baby leaf. Oh my god, here's this other one that I was trying to show you. Look at that. Oh my god, this leaf though, like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's moist, so it'll be fine overnight. And I don't see any pests, which I know some of you guys might be asking, because like when people get plants, they sometimes have like pests or damage. It looks very healthy. It's very beautiful. That leaf is just, y'all know me, I love philodendrons and I love variegation. It's so pretty. Oh my god. That's so cute. So I'm guessing that's a variegated philodendron. I'm gonna go give them their little name tags. I love this so much. So this is a variegated, heartleaf philodendron. And then the monstera obliqua is over here. Okay, let's see what's in here. There is one more. You guys can see it. I want to show you guys everything. This one's a little bit dry, so I wonder what it is. Because other papers were like super moist and like this one's kind of dry. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm mojito right now. I want to show you, I'm sorry. I haven't seen it yet. So we're gonna see it together. Ooh, what are you? It's like a philodendron. Do y'all see that? Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. It looks like a golden goddess philodendron. Okay, let me find the name tag. I'm guessing this one's called the gold violin philodendron. Monstera arisoniae Aniata. Maybe that one was the Monstera arisoniae Y'all, I'm really dumb, sorry. Okay, I'm pretty sure this one is called the gold violin philodendron. It didn't have the name tag, which is why I'm guessing it's this one, and it does make a lot of sense. It's so pretty, like look at that. Also, the plant looks really, really healthy and I don't see nothing bad on it. So their shipping is really, really good. The plants are looking great as well. If I see something bad, I'm gonna let you guys know 1000%. It's really pretty. It literally looks like a golden goddess philodendron or a lemon lime philodendron. It also looks like I think a moonlight philodendron. So that's pretty cool. Where's the bag? I mean the papel. Gonna place a little name tag right there. Okay, I'm guessing there's more in here. Oh, it's really moist. Okay. Making a mess. It's fine though. Okay, there's so much paper. It's gonna be to recycle. Okay, we got the final 3. I think there's 4. No, there's 3. Oh my god. Okay, here's this other one. Also does not have a name tag. So we're just gonna go and guess. Let's see. Okay, I think this one is the Monstera obliqua. But they put the name tag on that one. Like this one. See, this looks a lot more like a Monstera obliqua, but even then, I know they look a lot more crazier. But it's crazy because this one was literally, it had this little name tag and this one. I'm gonna send them an email. Basically the Monstera obliqua that was grown by tissue culture. And then we have this other one that looks really pretty. Like, look at that leaf. It has like second illustration, I think that's what you call it. It's so pretty. No, I do see something odd in the back of his leaves, but I think that's from like respiration, like having too much water. Do y'all see that? Like the little like dark spots in the back. But it's only on that leaf. And okay. That was like a medibug, but it's sphagnum moss. As always, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. Oh my god, it has like a new leaf unfolding. It's so pretty. Like, let me show y'all. It's like it went into like another leaf's hole. Like, do y'all see that? This one over here. It's really beautiful though. Like, look at that. Oh my god, it's cute. But this one didn't say Monstera obliqua. So I'm guessing it is the Monstera arisoniae. Even though like I feel like they're both reversed, because like this one looks a lot more like a Monstera obliqua, but I'm not so sure. I'm not a rare expert person. I just appreciate my common plants in the big box stores, you guys. Y'all already know me. I'm not that fancy, but okay. Looking pretty good, except that leaf that I was talking about, but everything else looks amazing. Also doesn't have a name tag. Let's see what this one is. I wonder what the dragon toe plant looks like. I've never heard of that before. I don't know if it's an alocasia. I don't do good with alocasias. Okay, so let's unwrap this one. Oh, whoa. Okay, I think I've seen this before, and it was a plant that was very difficult to find because I used to hear people saying that it was pretty difficult. But now it's like all over, like people have been finding them in the big box stores, so that's pretty cool. I'm guessing this one could be the Dragon Tail, Raphididosa the cursiva, or the philodendron red emperor. But I think the red emperor is like more red, but super cute. Also looks very healthy. Super cute. Dorbs. Palos on their way. What do you think? Okay. And then last but not least, we're gonna see this other one. Let's see what's in it. Sorry if I'm like a little bit dry, you guys. Like I just came from we had so much fun at my mom's house and I'm just so drained already. So I'm filming this video like literally today. I'm gonna post it today. This one, 1000% is the philodendron red imperial. Also looks really good. Like look at that. And let me see for any damage, anything that looks odd. And I don't see nothing bad. I literally have this one, I think so. I'll show you guys in a bit, but this one is the philodendron red imperial. Super beautiful. There's like a new leaf coming in as well. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna have this company's website linked down below, so you can go and check them out. It looks so cute though. Like let me show you the one. I think it's this one. This girly. The thing is, it doesn't put out red leaves, but this one as well, like its new leaves don't look red. So I do think it's this one that I have. And I got this one at my local nursery for like $11. And it was just labeled as philodendron when I got it. That's why I don't know what it's called, but they look pretty similar. So super cute. So yeah guys, that is it for today's new unboxing. Thank you so much for Gulley Greenhouse for sending these beautiful plants. I will, like I said, have their website linked down below, and everything looks pretty good except the leaf that I mentioned, but I think it's just from too much water. And my favorites out of all of them has to be the variegated heartleaf philodendron. That one is gorgeous. And also this little guy, like it's just so pretty. It's so cute. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any other planty videos. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!